Good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever country you are watching. I hope you are well today. I hope you woke up very healthy. I hope everything is doing well. Yeah, I hope everything is going well. Yes, Merry Christmas to you all in advance. We're just remaining with a few days to Christmas. So I wish you all a happy holiday. To you all my YouTube subscribers, you mean a lot to me. Yes, so today is actually, it's Sunday. The weather has been so funny since morning. It rains, it stops, it rains, it stops, it rains. Up to now, evening is just the same as that since morning. Yes, actually, I'd gone to the salon to make my nails. How does it look? How is it looking? I liked that nude color. So, and also the hairs. Yes, I will show you that in the next video. So welcome to today's cooking vlog. Today's video we are cooking. We have beef stew there. We have meat boiling there, and here we have water for ugali. Yes, ugali as we go. As you all know that ugali is a staple food for the Kenyans here. Yes, that is a ugali. We have to eat it, yo. We have to eat it. But we don't eat it on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day we change. On Christmas Day we change the menu. That menu, it won't be ugali. If ugali will be there, it will just be a little of ugali. It won't be a lot like every day. Yes, so you have to get used to ugali. Either ugali meat, ugali fish, ugali mboga, ugali cabbage, ugali spinach. You have to get used to it because that is what is eaten here. Yes, maybe the change will be rice, will be spaghetti, will be chapo. Yeah, that will be the thing that will be changing. But meanwhile, like I said, in this channel of mine, you will be watching videos about simple cooking recipes, just home easy cooking videos. So that is what you will be seeing in this channel. So make sure to subscribe. So our water for ugali is ready. It's ready. Yeah, I like to scoop small so that the ugali will not be a lot. I like ugali that will be eaten just that very time, and then tomorrow you don't it doesn't remain. Mom. Yes. Go and sit daddy minakuja. Thank you, Mama. Macho uma. Sorry, Baba. Sorry. Go and sit, baby. Daddy na. Uko? So this is our tomatoes for stew. I decided to put these carrots because I don't want it to get spoiled. And yeah, we have the garlic. Yeah, on the pestle. I've already pounded it. So let's first deal with ugali. Let's deal with ugali first. Hiyo. Imeenda. We, ni nini unafanya hapo? Nadu? Unafanya nini? Tunagojea kwanza. Hapo baba acha ikuwa wazi. Nimesahau kufungua mlango.
Unanigonga?
Baba ulikuwa hivyo job? Baba, utawasubuhi ulikuwa hivyo? Na hiyo jacket?
Nilikuwa hii.
Huko unasikia baridi?
Nilikuwa na baridi basi.
Basi ulikuwa unajua iko na baridi na ukavaa hii kasweta. Na ina zipo Walgreens.
Hivi nimekutumia do.
Bado hazijafika? Kwani zinatoka wapi? Zinatoka wapi? Sao. Inashona ni ya kushonelewa kwa nini? Ni suit. Oh, yuko serious. Suit. Mimi siyangu kuona na suit. We, kuja kaa hapa. Babe, si unafungulia kwanza maji kwa ndoo. By the way, si Dylan alikuwa amekuitisha kitu.
Leo nimekutuma moja peke yake.
Na? Kwa serious.
Nilikuwa job.
Alikuambia amesukuma, ametumia ya tele yake.
Nikutumie.
So guys, stew is ready.
Hebu umereceive.
Hadi sijasikia message. Simu ndio hii hapa. Kwa hiyo umeweka namba yangu.
Nimekuwekea na IT.
Ukiweka 19 na sasa fare yako kesho uko nayo.
Dera na.
Hebu
si utanipea kesho.
Jibakishie fare.
Dera.
Uchunge pesa zitaenda wrong number. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl again here. Welcome to today's vlog. That is me getting my hair retouched already, clean and washed. Yes, now it was done retouching it. Now in the dryer to dry my hair and get ready to boom with it. So that is me waiting in the dryer, just in the dryer. I was even wondering what time am I going to get out of this dryer, because it was too much for me. Then after that, that is me with my baby boy, my boo, my best friend, my partner in crime, just having some little time. After the salon, after my hair is done, you can see my hair is done, just waiting for the balance, waiting for our change, then we get going. Hey, guess what? It rained. That has been raining from morning. It rains and stops, so we had to wait for that rain to start, then we start going. So from there we started. We had to wait because it was raining. You can see outside there it was raining. Yes, we had to wait and we waited. Hebu liani kuone. Angalia hapa dadi. Shemat. Ana amekuwa shemat, wana nyole shemat. Sama haya. Sama halo. Ogoja kwa atakufinya. Shemat. Abia, thank you. Smart. Shuka sasa.